Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Pen Art Kun, the channel that teaches you how to use a ballpoint pen, a simple tool to create your creativity or whatever you want to do. Now in this lesson, we are going to explore something called flowers. So we will teach you how to use simple shapes, and then we develop something that looks a bit complicated, right? So let's start with example. We have a circle. This is a circle, right? As usual, as you know by now from your previous lesson, most of the things in life are made up of shapes, simple shapes here. So maybe if you could do a bit of observation, or maybe if you maybe you can do a practice, you can actually develop. For example, we can start with a circle. Thereafter, we may want to add bit more complicated things like this one. Okay, some more. We'll fill up 4 sides. Right, and then from there on, you may want to add on some more things like we have. This is a circle. Okay, and maybe we have some other things in a bit of leaf. Okay, and from there on, do a bit of shading. Right, and we may have something that looks a bit like flowers. Right. Or we could start with a small square, a rounded square perhaps, and then we could add in some other things. Right, and from there on, maybe add in more things here. So we put the shading. Okay, and also maybe a bit of extra decoration. Right, that's it looks like. Well, this is a flower that you can't find in real life. Or we may want to explore some other things. We have, let me start with big circle. Okay, this will be the center of the flowers, and we have few more circles around. from there on, again we add on maybe some leaves. Middle. Right, and then from there on maybe a bit more decoration. Another leaf. Okay, a bit of shading here. Right, so we have some creative flowers. Okay, so the thing could go on, and of course you could add in. So you can see that we can actually use simple shapes here to develop something that is complicated. Okay, even a few dots here, like we have like, okay, few dots here. Then you could maybe like do a bit of decorations. Right, and of course from there on you might want to right. So that is some ideas that you could work on. In fact, we could actually do something complicated. Okay, just from this one, or you could actually do something that is a bit more abstract. Okay, so most of the floral patterns here. Okay, if you don't want to draw, I mean like a real life one, you could maybe like start with this is like something abstract. Okay, so we have some lines. So just imagine this is the, and we vary the thickness of the line here. Okay, and let's end with a leaf. Okay, so we have a leaf here, and maybe add in some more decoration. There you have something which is more abstract, or we could do a bit of no, it's not. You start with something. Yeah. Then we extend this. Right, and from there on, maybe you may want to add on some leaves. Okay. Right. Add in some decorations. There you have some floral patterns that you could try at home, right? So now we are going to end the lesson now. So hope you enjoy my channel. Next lesson we will explore something else. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you again. Bye.